today we have a box
A box?
From?
from Pop Mart. Let's see.
Tumingin sa camera.
A box? Just open it.
Oh, labo. Labo po. Yeah.
Tignan mo.
Okay.
Wow!
It's upside down.
Can we just open it? Like this. Nagmamadali na si Kuya Chase.
We'll see what I got.
Wow!
Don't check the card first. Upside down.
Okay.
Oh, what do you think?
See what I got.
Unboxing ng Labubu. Oh, is that Labubu?
What did you got?
You got,
You got.
you got this.
Oh, I got.
Yee! Purple!
Oh, it's so cute.
Purple.
Check the name. There's a card inside this.
Oh. Yeah, yeah.
It smells like flowers.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
ZZ.
ZZ?
Yeah.
Kuku.
Ooh, how about you?
Kuku.
Kuku?
Kuku. Show them.
I got ZZ. The
Wow.
purple one. The one I always wanted.
Oh, yan pa nyo. Genuine check.
This is our other.
Let's check. Kuya, oh.
Huh?
Okay, let's check it.
Here's the QR code.
Okay.
It's Kuya Lou.
Don't.
How does it work?
Wait lang.
QQ.
Move ko to.
There's QQ. I thought it was a second back.
Pakita mo na.
Fake.
Fake?
It's upside down.
Ayan. Kita nyo ba, guys? Parang
Okay.
Show mo.
show mo yung outfit. Hindi makita na. Parang
Okay, let's do mine.
take yours.
No, I want to do mine. I want to
Hindi
do
makita.
mine because it's mine.
Asan na charm? Charm.
Where is that?
Farther. Pull it out more. Out.
Because you're covering the QR code.
Farther, Charm.
ikaw na maglayo na. Hindi na. Zoom niya.
Where's my working?
Oh, crap.
Wait, I think mine's fake. Wait, is it fake?
Straight mo.
Wait, I think there's something like
Close mo yung ano mo.
So like this.
Where did I go?
Close mo muna yung app, then open ito.
Mystery. It had a mystery.
Naku, ayaw ma-scan. Nabudol tayo ng isang beses.
Kagawang mo, nahirapan mo.
I think it's fake.
Do you want it to be fake?
No.
Ayaw.
Nahaluan tayo ng fake ah.
Mayroon pa ba tayo ibang kanina to kay Charm?
Yeah, sure, we try mine.
Hindi lang. Akin na yan. Asan yung code? Patingin yung card. Paano ko may ano yung code dito? Hindi ako marunong magbasa ng ano. Ito. 49539.
Hello?
Ano yung code na nandyan? May number. 4953.
Wala. Wala.
Kasi ayan na siya. Ito. Ayan yata yung nasa phone ko. Ay, ito pala yung phone ko. Verify kay Chase to. Okay. Akin na yung ano.
Verified kay Chase.
Ayan na. Siyempre makikita yung code mo. Akin na yung Sky Charm. Parang ang dilim. Ang code. Yung move ko yan.
Yan.
Charm, sandali.
How much?
Sandali lang. Ay. Try natin.
It's focused on my finger, that's why.
Ha?
It's focused on my finger.
Maski naman na kay, basta may makitang QR code, papasok ko. Ayan.
Yeah. Napasukan tayo.
Hindi naman napasukan. Kasi isa lang yung ano.
Ay, ay, ay.
Ano na.
Masyadong ano yata yung ano eh.
It was getting
Dikit-dikit na eh. Oo.
Gusto may ilaw.
Yan.
Hindi nakafocus. Ayun. Ayan.
Yes.
Is it real?
Ayan na.
Okay.
It's real?
Yeah.
Give me it. Give me this card also.
Inwine.
Give me the card
Close
and
it.
the boo boo.
Okay.
Where's that? Where's
That's
the
it,
card?
folks.
Where's
Thank
the
you
card?
for watching. La 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 boo
I'll give you the two
boo,
other.
la. La la boo boo la la. We got 4 blabubus na. Nakapikit yung isa, parang natutulog lang. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching!
Kanina ko.